Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Extreme Mini Game Box, the 128 in Unity. Okay, whatever. So the thing that we're going to get is like another plug and play device. So now in 2021 it's the year of plug and play devices beside the handheld invasion. And it's just freaking unbelievable, they keep making these freaking bloody things. Okay, so this time we're going to get this strangely but also nice looking piece of hardware. Oh, so what you're going to get is the Model RS43 that works on a 5-volt 5 milliamp power supply. So what you can do with this is just plug it in the HDMI port like that, and that's the only thing that you're going to need. The controllers are kind of changed out compared with the PlayStation 1. They smell chemical. Select start. And we're going to get A, B. It's kind of weird, and I personally prefer like A, B, but they have like A, B. Oh man, I really hate when they switch it over. It feels kind of cheap. There are like flimsy controllers. I can't get the battery cover open. Oh crap. Okay, we're going to get the option to add 2 AAA batteries. That we're going to do. Controller number 2. I think there is no switch that you can choose for on and off or play 1 or 2. Let's see what we're going to get at the bottom. We're going to get ourselves a micro USB cable, and the reason why, because you need to get yourself some juice. You can use like an external 5-volt adapter, or you can get your juice from the television. Let's see, we're going to get the toilet paper manual like always. No, need the other side, like here we're going to get it in English. See to be like it has a TF card, Android interface, so this thing is basically like an Android box that they reinstalled. But they're doing like having an old, really old piece of hardware and just reusing the old tech with a new interface. Let's see how big the card is. 128 megabytes. Seriously? Are they still making these cards? Oh boy. So let's take it in. Let's use the cable. And let's have some fun. Or we're going to cry how bad it is. Let's find out. But the main problem I'm always having with these freaking sticks that I can't stick it in. Because they are too wide. Another thing is like if you're having all the HDMI connection on a row, you plug it in, it will cover up one port. So we're going to need an extension cable. And the cheapos didn't even give me one. Oh, by the way, there is no on and off switch on the device or the dongle itself. So when you're turning on your television, it automatically goes on. Okay, so it seems you're now having the right controller. That's more like a guess, like which one is play 1 or play 2. But let's take a close look at it. Ooh, we're going to get a fancy menu. This is what you're going to get. The famous menu with the action, shoot, sport, fighting, racing and puzzle games. So let's take a close look at it. So let me guess, when I'm opening up this list, I need to press the start button. We're going to get one big list. Yeah, 430 games. Oh boy. And there are going to be a lot of double games, a lot of crappy games. Okay, can I go back to the main menu? Yep, by pressing X, the green button. Shooting games, let's go quick look in this. I'm guessing Contra. Yep, Contra, Robocop. Oh, sometimes you just mess it up. Sport game, the Hot Blood games. And this has not, I think that have been changed in the last couple of NES clones. Fighting games, Turtles 1, 2, 3. So it's quite a big collection. Racing games. And then we're having the puzzle games. That makes no sense because, let's be honest, like in Bomberman is not really a puzzle game. So they're always messing this up. But let's try some games and let's see how good the emulation in general is. Oh, okay. For a long time I've played this game. No idea which button I need to choose. So far I know there is no quick load, quick save option with this. So and any games, don't even think about it. There are so many crappy stuff on this that basically there is no other game you can add to this if you ask me. Let me guess, select the start, hold it for a couple of seconds and you can go back to menu. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, and there are a lot of these weird Angry Bird homebrew games on this system. The games do play nice, and I'm still suck at this game, but the sound itself is not bad. Yeah, what can I say about the D-pad? It's shitty. Yep. Okay, so let's try Smash TV. Oh, I was thinking, hey, where the hell is the sound? You can play this game with 2 controls if you want to. Okay. How does this work? Oh, it works like that. And let me guess, the other button, you need to hold it in a certain position. Okay, that's weird. Even for the NES version, it's quite fun to play. Oh crap. What I did notice, like with all these games, have a kind of a weird filter over it. It's more like smooth pixel filter that they are a lot using the Pandora's box stuff. Okay. But so far I can see there is no weird stuff going on. The game seems to be working so far good. The flicking you see is like also with the original game. Okay guys, so I can play and keep testing out games, but the thing is, like, this is what you're going to get with the HD video game system. In other words, the RS-43. It comes with a lot of different games, a lot of crappy games, a lot of double games, homebrew games, you name it. But this is the thing that you're going to get. There is not like a multifunctional that I've seen before, like with multi-systems like NES, Super NES, Mega Drive. Nope, this is just like some 8-bit fetish, 8-bit stuff that we've seen like many times before here on the channel. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, and let me know in the comments, what do you think of stuff like this? Do you like it? Or do you really hate it? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.